everybody, welcome back. I am Jaleesa. For those of you that are old, you know me, and if you are new, hey, welcome to my channel. Hope you enjoy what you see. Check out some other videos. But anyway, today I have my second curl box. It's the August curl box. I'm gonna do an unboxing with you guys, and then I'm actually going to use the products and do a review. I was gonna do a wash and go, but I'm actually gonna do a protective style because y'all is hot and I'm really tired of doing my hair. As you can see, like, it's looking a little rough. So yep, let's get started. Okay. Here's my curl box. I can't get it out the box. Okay. So in this curl box, we have the Palmer's Cocoa Butter and Biotin, I guess you say kit? I don't know. In the kit, well, not in my kit, but in their whole line, they have a shampoo, a conditioner, a cream styler, a styling nectar, which is a gel, a shine glaze serum, a leave-in conditioner, and a hair mask. And all of these are available at Sally's. Okay, in my box, I got this, which tells you about the products. I got a coupon for $1 off everything except for the hair mask. I was like, that's messed up because you know everybody love a hair mask. Then you get like this little thing also telling you about the products. Very cute. Great photography. I'm a graphic designer, y'all. I know this stuff like that. Alright, so we got the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Link Retention Shampoo. It is 12 ounces. And it says the shampoo is sulfate and silicone-free formula. Is gentle enough for all hair types and textures. Perfect for dry, textured, or chemically treated hair. Culminates protects color from fading. I don't know. Okay. Then we have a conditioner. The conditioner is sulfate and silicone-free formula. Is gentle enough for all hair types and textures. Perfect for dry, textured, or chemically treated hair. Culminates protects color from fading. Enhanced slip formula. Then we got a leave-in. I really don't like spray leave-ins, but I'm gonna go with it. I'm glad they got a leave-in too. I hate when they be sent like the Aunt Jackie's box from July didn't have a leave-in. Like, why? Why don't you have a leave-in? Okay, it says silicone-free formula, heat protectant, leave-in conditioner, moisturizer, and detangler all in one. Yes, for the leave-in being a heat protectant, because I gotta blow out my hair. Okay, and then we got the Cocoa Butter and Biotin Link Retention Shine Glaze Serum. Okay, on the Shine and Glaze Serum, silicone-free option to add slip and shine to all hair types and textures. Use layered under stylers or on ends and dry spots to seal the hair, locking out humidity. And last but not least, we have the Cream Styler. Wish they had to send the gel. I like the gel. I like gel. Silicone-free cream/gel styler. Hybrid defines a variety of curly textures, weightless formula. Well, I'll be using everything except for the cream styler. I know, kind of sucks. If I had got this a few days ago, I would have went ahead and did my hair and had a wash and go for y'all, but I don't. But I can show you the what is it called? The cream styler. It is a cream. It says cream gel. No, that's just a cream. There's no gel. Yeah, it smells just like cocoa butter that I put on my body. All right, y'all. So let's get.
I don't know if you can take it. No, you wanna see me naked. I wanna be a baby. Spinning in his bed just like he can relate to. Like a wristlet on the brown. When a girl like this, I can't be around. Too late to turn down a notch. Cause I can into things that I'm gon' do. Wow, thoughts. Wow.
Okay, so far so good. My hair did feel very clean with the shampoo. The shampoo did not have slip to me at all. It was hard to run my fingers through my hair, but it did not even, like on the card it tells you nothing about slip with the shampoo. It tells you about slip with the conditioner. So once I did put the conditioner on, instant slip. It was like that. Like I just ran my fingers through my hair. I do like the shampoo is good. It gives you nice cleaning. I do like the conditioner also. It gave me a good, like it gave me like a little tingling feeling because it tells you to put it on your scalp as well. Leave on up to 6 minutes. So it gives you like a little tingling feeling. Then my hair felt really good. The slip was great. It has my hair defined and clean. Like I can feel cleanness here. So I like that. One thing that I noticed when I was reading the back of the bottle, it says address breakage, damage, and split ends by keeping the hair and scalp moisturized, fortified, and healthy in order to achieve optimal growth potential. Cocoa butter has hair softening properties for healthy shine, and its rich moisture shields hair from dryness and overprocessing. Biotin supports healthy hair growth, and quinona protein protects the hair shaft from heat damage that can cause breakage. This expert blend retain length for beautiful, long, shiny hair. Man, I wish I wouldn't get my hair done tomorrow now because it says length retention. I want to see, because I do have a lot of breakage. Not breakage, Lord, no. I ain't got no breakage. Shrinkage. A lot of shrinkage. So I would like to see, because I was just, when I was looking at my hair when I was washing it, it's like down to here. And then when I get through, or like here, because I can see it in front of my eyes. Then when I get through and I'm all dry, it's here. So I would like to see if it stretched any. I hate this now. This is sad. But what I do like, it says that the quinona protein protects hair from heat damage. So I think this is also a good line for like protective styling. Like right before you get ready to do your protective style, use this line. I think so far. So I've been to deep condition with one of my staples, the Meech Beauty deep conditioner, since I don't have the one from this one. And then I'll be back, and then we'll jump right in with the leave-in and the Shine Serum Glaze. Okay, I'm back. I've washed out my deep conditioner and all that. So now I'm gonna go in with the leave-in conditioner. I feel like you have to use so much when you're using a spray leave-in.
Strong and stable.
I'm gonna just spray some in my hand. This is what it looks like when you spray it in your hand. Ooh.
You're a pretty girl. I hope you don't think that's rude. I haven't been allowed to notice that kind of thing for a while. Now I'm allowed.
You're allowed to notice prettiness?
I'm allowed to notice
My hair feels very moisturized. I'm also going to go in with the Main Choice Scalp Renewal from the Boosting Kit.
Left me because
I just want to use this
didn't make her laugh anymore.
since I'm finna put some
She didn't
probably
just love
Passion
me, she loved
Twist
you.
in
She loved you because
so I can make sure, you know,
that sucks.
my scalp's doing good. I'll clean up under there and I'm getting maximum growth.
Everything's exposed, which kinda limits my game.
Okay, yes. Kind of. I am.
Nice guy.
Yeah, he is. Well, he's kind of a nice guy disguised as a jerk.
Oh yeah, I know that type. My girlfriend was a nice girl disguised as a vapid narcissist.
Alright, now I'm finna go in with my blow dryer
She really was just a vapid
and
narcissist.
finish this up. If I can find my blow dryer. I look like that dude off a house party. Where's our top fade? Ooh. But we are dry. One thing I can say, I do like this line. My hair is very moisturized. It's not dry.
Your kids are fine.
Even after blow drying, like, it's not dry. I really
He's hungry. The others were too
like
scared to
this
get
line.
Point is, they're fine.
Yeah, I give it,
They just have to get better.
for protective styling, I give it a 10 out of a 10. I will come back one day and do a wash and go in the future, but as for right now, I love it. It works for me.
I would like to borrow Dr. Yang.
I think you should try it.
Taurus,
Yep.
can I steal Stevens off your canvas?
Yep. But anyway, this is the August Curl Box with Palmer's Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention line.
Bailey has requested your capable.
Very nice, very healthy, very
Wait, just take it
moisturizing, very good for heat protectant. So overall, I like it. And I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. I'm gonna do some passion twist, so I will come back and throw y'all a little passion twist video. I was gonna do them myself, but I'm tired. I'm always tired. It's not enough hours in the day anymore. Adulting is hard. So I'm letting somebody else do it tomorrow when I get off work. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'll give y'all a pro and con video, initial install video, maybe a takedown video, whatever else I can think of. I don't know. But thank you for tuning in. You can find this and other products, the whole line, at Sally's. So make sure you go and try it out. I highly recommend it. Not sponsored, as you know, because Curlbox comes out of my bank account every month like clockwork. So not sponsored, my own coin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate y'all. And that's all for today, y'all. See y'all in the next one. Bye.